Good morning, everybody. My name is Tone, the original. Yes, it's me. Y'all watching around the campus. So stop what you're doing and get comfortable, and let's get started. Today, I will introduce you to this talented person sitting next to me. Her name is Priscilla G, and she is a G because she's sitting next to me. If she was next to me, then I would not be as privileged as I am. Anyway, let's go. Hi, Priscilla.
Hi.
Say hi to Cam. Priscilla.
Hi, Kim. How are you?
Tell us a little about yourself.
Oh, wait. Your name's not Kim.
No. Say hi to the camera.
Oh, hi, camera.
And tell us a little about yourself.
Okay. Well, what would you like to know?
Oh, that's enough for right now. Anyways, in 5 years, where do you see yourself?
5 years, I see myself married to a rich man with a good job, because I depend on no man.
That's a good thing.
My mama always says, "Mija, depend on no man."
So what does he have to be rich for if you don't gonna depend on
I'm
him?
looking into some football players, basketball players, get in on them Laker tickets.
Okay, okay. Do you want a starter or a bench warmer, a coach, owner? What kind of player are you looking for?
Probably a starter.
You want a starter?
Yeah, because they get it.
They get it. What about if your starter gets injured? Have you ever thought of injury and then next year no contract?
I haven't thought about that.
I bet you
But
Chloe.
that's why.
I bet you Chloe didn't think of it neither. Anyways.
Poor girl.
Poor girl. Anyway, she's balling. Where else do you see yourself besides rich and married to a rich baller and basketball player?
I see myself broadcasting.
Broadcasting.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe in the KVCR studios.
Maybe. Hire me.
Hire you.
Hire me.
I'm finna
free.
fire you in a minute. Anyways, thank you, Priscilla, for coming in. We out of here, everybody. I hope you enjoyed us. This is the last chance to say bye to Priscilla. Priscilla, wave at all of you.
Bye.
People, bye, bye, bye. And we gonna fade up out of here and do it Tone way, the G way. We out of here.